Hello and welcome back, miners. Hope you're all well. And today we're going to be talking about OrdexCoin, and there will be a giveaway, as you can guess from the title, that I will be talking about later on in this video. So make sure to follow the video closely and keep an eye for that giveaway details. So let's begin. First of all, let's head over to their Discord. Ordex Network is the project we are going to be talking about today. So first of all, I would like to tell you guys that, as always, I have done my research on this project, and I am sharing this project to you because I like the potential of this project. Because I always try to share the projects with you guys that I have kept an eye on and done my research on, and think that are going to be great potentially great investment for miners and investors or traders. So this coin I think is a pretty solid coin if you want to hold a small bag of and mine a small bag of, which can become a jackpot in the future. Because the reason I'm saying jackpot is most of the people in the mining space, POW coins investors, most of them, usually what they do is that they keep an eye on for the coins launching every day. Like POW coins are launching 3 or 4 coins launch every week. On Bitcoin Talk they keep an eye on, and whenever a new coin appears, they are the first one to hold a bag or mine a big bag of them as early as they can, and then forget about it. After a few weeks, either that coin is dead, that is mostly the case, or that coin has become big, which is a rarity in many of the projects. But if that coin does become big and is one of those rare projects, then they have hit a jackpot. Because that is why they invest in these kinds of projects. Because 1 out of 10 or 1 out of 20 projects in this POW space become big, and that big project then is a jackpot for those who came early and mined them or held a bag of those coins as an investor or a miner. So I guess this coin is definitely worthy or capable of becoming that jackpot, or at least worthy of you considering it for holding a small bag of it, for being a competitor to become that jackpot. Because first of all, I have been in talks with their developer team also, and with the developer, which is this OrdexCoin dev. So they have been pretty active in the community. They have been pretty you can say involved with the community. They want this to be a community project. They want it to be to take every decision with the community involvement, and they like to get good marketing and stuff for this project. Even though they have been a little dull on the developmental side of this project, or on the listing side of this project as an asset, but I have seen them do progress since weeks now, or since many days now, in being in their coins community. And I can assure you that it's not a dead or a scam project till now. As I've seen, I have observed them from quite a while now, and been in talk with their dev from a few days, and this is my observation for you guys. So they are listed on Nestex exchange, which is a very low cap exchange, but from my opinion, it's trusted until now. Every exchange has a risk of getting scammed, or has a risk of being shut down in crypto space. Even FTX got shut down lately, but I guess this is how crypto works. So Nestex is till date running smoothly, and this is my experience. So listing on it was a decent move for a coin to start. They are planning to be listed on non-KYC, as we can see from their server. Non-KYC fundraising is this non-KYC fundraiser, and they have plans to list on higher tier exchanges like Maxi, which is pretty solid for this coin. So moving forward, this is their Nestex exchange. OXC USDT is pair. And there's this is almost zero. The price is almost zero now. Why I'm saying this? Because I see huge potential in this coin, and the market cap or price now is equal to zero for me, because this coin has the potential of becoming a very big coin, maybe $10 per coin, and the price I see right now in front of my eyes is nothing. So that's why I want I may hold a small bag of this coin, and I'm trying to show this coin to the community and let them do their own research and see if this is capable of holding a small bag for the future. So OrdexCoin, this is their website. The sovereign proof of work standard, it's SHA-256 is the algorithm it follows. By the way, Ordex network this project has 2 coins, 2 assets. One is OXC, one is OXP. OXC is OrdexCoin, OXP is Ordex POS. So I asked the developer for the core features or the aim of this project, and he sent me a document that we can read from to my community, that I can read to my community to explain the aims of this project. That was the thing I asked from the developer, and as I have already told you guys, the developer of this project is sincere, as I can see from the community, and he had all the things he wanted for the project, the definition of the project basically written down in the document. So let's check that document out now. it's also briefly described that the definition of the project. It can also be briefly read from the website itself, but I like this document better, so let's check it out. To the global community, miners, investors, and the future pioneers of Ordex, as the lead developer of Ordex network today, I'm breaking the technical silence to unveil the complete development architecture of our ecosystem. Okay, my vision has always been clear: to create a financial system where old school robustness meets new age accessibility. Okay, to achieve this, the Ordex network is built upon two unbreakable pillars: OXE and OXP. As I've told you guys, there are two assets of this project. Pillar 1, OXE, the fortress. OrdexCoin OXE is the backbone of our network. It was designed under SHA-256 algorithm, the gold standard of cryptographic security philosophy. OXE represents immutable security. Every mine block is not just a reward; it is a digital building block that fortifies the chain. Who is it for? The asset is designed for major miners and mining farms, those who provide the computing power, hash rate necessary to armor the network against attacks. Rewards: we recognize the cost of energy hardware. Therefore, the reward structure allows for up to 20 OXE per block, incentivizing those who protect our critical infrastructure. So basically, this is the primary asset, the OrdexCoin. This is the primary coin that is the main coin of this network Ordex ecosystem. This is the coin they are more focused on, and this is the primary coin of this their project. Why? Because they wanted a single mineable POW coin as the backbone of their project. Secondly, OXP is designed to basically support their main primary coin OXE. So why? Let's read it out. OXE is the fortress. OXP is the universal key. We designed OXP to democratize wealth within our network. The transition mechanism: OXP is born as a POW/POS hybrid, but it has a programmed destiny. At block 1000, POW mining will cease completely, so it will become POS completely. From that milestone onward, OXP will become purely proof of stake. Okay, who is it for? This is the community's asset. You do not need expensive hardware or industrial farms. Anyone with a wallet and internet connection can participate. Sustainability is that by eliminating energy intensive mining at block 1000, they create a self-sustainable ecosystem. Okay, so as I've told you guys, they wanted to the second asset to be a kind of supporting asset for the primary one, which is OrdexCoin. Small investors whose stake can earn at a constant rate can earn a constant share of OXP, generating passive income and securing the network through their holding, not their electricity. Why the two assets? Many will ask, why not just one? Okay, in Ordex network, these two projects do not compete, they fuel each other. So basically, OrdexCoin is the engine and Ordex POS is the fuel. So as I've told, this is the primary coin and this is a support system for the primary coin. By having two markets operating in the same crypto universe, SHA-256 miners securing the foundation and stakers validating agile transactions, we cover every investor profile. Okay, so this is a nice incentive from there, unique kind of a launch for the project. I want to be transparent about my role. I'm not a public developer, and this is a design choice, not a result of fear. Okay, pretty fair. By not having a decentralized public figure to worship or attack, by limiting a single, we have a single point of failure. No one. Okay, so they are trying to make it a community project. So okay, we have cleaned the blockchain and left the network built to produce value over time, operating it autonomously. Okay. So that makes it pretty clear that they are trying. That is why they are trying to be involved with the community more than the average coins do. That is why I think I highlighted the point that they are pretty active in the community and they always try to get the opinions from the community in their main decisions they try to take, and that's why you can see many polls in their Discord server as well. So if you're a miner, fire up. If you're an investor, acquire. If you're an opinion leader, invite others. Okay, so this was the Ordex ecosystem is designed for success, but it is a community that propels it to the moon. All right, so to the moon. Okay, this was the document that I quite liked personally, because I liked it to have a definition briefly described in a document that is pretty unique and nice from the developer. I asked for it to him, and he gave me. And I like to have a clear definition for a project and a clear aim, at least going forward. So that was the OrdexCoin. You guys can mine it, you guys can buy it, invest in it to hold a bag of it. Either way, you guys the aim is to hold a small bag of this coin, so that in future, if it becomes a bigger coin, a big project, then you guys can also be involved in hitting the jackpot. So that was it from this project's review video. Always do your own research before investing and before diving into things like this. Crypto is a risky space, and you guys should always do your own research first. And now about the thing we have been waiting for, the giveaway. So the developer was kind enough, after me informing him that I will be making the video about this video about his project, he was kind enough to propose an initiative that I should he provided me about 1000 Ordex coins OXE to be distributed to my community, you guys. 20 Ordex coins per person who goes to their server from my description invite link, joins their Discord community, and then comments below this video that they have joined the community from this video, then attaches his wallet address for the Ordex coin, I will be replying him with the transaction confirmation and sending him 20 Ordex coins. And this is for the first 50 people, and the time limit is 1 month. Either the 50 people join fast and the giveaway is completed, or 1 month passes, then the 50 then this giveaway will be completed. In both scenarios, this will be a giveaway which is you can say sponsored by the developer himself, and he was kind enough to offer this initiative, and I have given my honest review about this project. One more thing I would like to add is that this project seems very potential to me, and a few ideas that I would like to give for the project, or piece of advice I would like to give for the project, will be that the project itself is pretty unique and you can say decent enough till now, but I would like to see more hasty progress on this project's developmental sides, utilities development, and also in collaborating with more platforms for exchange listings and more use cases for the coins, as there are 2 coins, so there are more possibilities for this coin to be integrated in more platforms rather than any other average POW coin. So that's why I see a bigger potential in this coin. That is one of the reasons too. So that is my piece of advice for the project. Otherwise, I see a great potential in this project personally. You guys also must have seen something from this video, and if you guys see anything that I missed, or you guys know about any newer project you think I should talk about, just let me know in the comments about your opinions, and I will surely consider them, and have openly recently started to promote my Telegram group, where I analyze the market. I have been doing it from years now, but from 3 to 4 years, but I have been promoting it since recent 2 or 3 videos. The reason is that I want a more diverse content now on this channel, instead of being focused on a single mining community. That's why you will see more topics being covered on this channel. So make sure to check out my Telegram group. It's a free group, and there are about 150 members on it already. I will be sharing my success of those who have joined the paid group or paid services of me, that where I offer market analysis and trading signals for leverage trading and spot trading both. So I share success, and sometimes I share signals also in the free group, but they are pretty occasional, and they are basically meant to be shared to the premium members. But you guys can check out the free group. There is the history of the group, and it's maybe 3 to 4 years long, and I have also shared a gem in the past few years that went 39x in about 10 days, I think 10 or 15 days. So that is pretty accurate record of our group, my group. So you guys can check it out, and make sure to join my Telegram group. There's also a Discord server that I made for my mining pool that I had formerly, but I will be trying to make it turn it into my YouTube channel server. So make sure to join that, and you can DM me on Telegram or Discord for any kind of queries or collaboration requests, or any opinion you may have, or you want me to cover a topic for the next video. So that was it from today's video. Hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure to take part in the trading competition they are holding, that you can check the details from on their server, that you will be joining from the link in description. This, by the way, just to briefly tell you, this trading competition is held by the Ordex coin and Nestex exchange. They are basically, it started on 13th February and it will be ending on 20th February. I have been plan to upload this video on 18th February. So you will have 2 days to participate in this contest, and they will be distributing a reward pool of 1000 OXC coins and 100 OXP coins in the top 5 traders. The competition is simple. They want you guys to trade this OXC USDT pair on Nestex, and the highest traders with the highest trading volumes will be rewarded. The first place will be rewarded with 400 OXC and 40 OXP. Second will be with 250 OXC and 25 OXP, and the rest are as follows. You can see on the screen. So make sure to have a verified account on Nestex. Just register on Nestex, and I will be giving the links of the related links that I have discussed in this video in the description as well. So just check their server out, and you can read all the details over here. So that was, and you can also find the document I read in this video in their announcements, just confirming. Yeah, so you can also find this document there as well. So that was it from today's video. Many thanks to the Ordex coin development team, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.